JayZ, a name synonymous with hip-hop royalty. From the streets of Brooklyn to the pinnacle of the music industry, his journey is one of grit, determination, and unparalleled success. JayZ's impact transcends music. He is a cultural icon, a savvy entrepreneur, and a voice for the unheard. His rise to fame coincided with intense scrutiny, legal battles, and public trials. JayZ's legal victory is a testament to his unwavering spirit and commitment to protecting his artistic integrity. The case, centered around copyright claims related to a specific song, raised significant questions about artistic ownership, sampling in music, and the boundaries of fair use. It garnered widespread attention, with legal experts and fans alike eager to see how it would unfold. The dismissal of the case is a victory not just for JayZ but for artistic freedom as a whole. It sets a precedent for artists who face similar challenges, assuring them that their creativity deserves to be protected. The legal battle that would come to captivate the music industry had its roots in the very essence of hip-hop: sampling. At the heart of the case was a claim over a sample used in a specific song by JayZ that was under legal scrutiny. The plaintiff alleged that the sample infringed upon their copyright, sparking a legal battle that would test the boundaries of artistic license and copyright law. The lawsuit delved into the intricacies of copyright law, questioning the extent to which artists could incorporate existing works into their own creations. To fully grasp the gravity of the lawsuit, one must understand the journey of the disputed sample. The plaintiff argued that JayZ's use of the sample in the song constituted an unauthorized appropriation of their intellectual property. They alleged that the sample formed a significant portion of JayZ's song, and its use without permission caused financial and reputational harm. The lawsuit sent shockwaves through the music industry, particularly within the hip-hop community, where sampling was deeply ingrained in the genre's DNA. The legal challenge against JayZ threatened to upend this practice, casting a shadow of uncertainty over the future of sampling. News of the lawsuit spread like wildfire, igniting a firestorm of debate and speculation across media platforms and within the music community. Legal experts weighed in on the complexities of the case, dissecting the nuances of copyright law and offering their predictions on its potential outcome. Fans, too, joined the conversation, passionately defending their musical icon while grappling with the legal implications of the case. The lawsuit became a hot topic on social media, with hashtags related to the case trending as fans expressed their support for JayZ. Critics of the lawsuit argued that it was a blatant attempt to stifle creativity and profit from the success of a renowned artist. Supporters of the lawsuit maintained that copyright laws were in place to protect the rights of creators and ensure that they were properly compensated for the use of their work. Throughout the legal storm, JayZ remained characteristically composed and resolute. His legal team, known for their fierce advocacy and expertise in intellectual property law, mounted a vigorous defense, asserting that the use of the sample fell well within the boundaries of fair use. They argued that the sample was used in a transformative manner, creating a new and distinct work that differed significantly from the original. JayZ, in his public statements, exuded an aura of confidence, expressing his firm belief that the lawsuit was without merit. He viewed the lawsuit as an attack not just on him personally, but on the very foundations of hip-hop and the creative spirit it embodied. His unwavering stance resonated with his fans, who rallied behind him, offering their unwavering support. The courtroom became a battleground of legal intellect as both sides assembled formidable legal teams. JayZ's defense team meticulously crafted their arguments, focusing on the principle of fair use. They argued that JayZ's use of the sample constituted a transformative use, creating a new and distinct artistic work. The defense team meticulously dissected the musical elements, presenting a compelling case that JayZ's use of the sample fell well within the established parameters of fair use. The legal battle raged on, with both sides engaging in a series of preliminary hearings and motions. JayZ's legal team skillfully navigated the complexities of copyright law, filing motions to dismiss the case based on the grounds of fair use. The plaintiff's team countered each motion, adamant in their claim of copyright infringement and seeking substantial financial compensation. The back and forth between the legal teams intensified the public's fascination with the case. Legal experts dissected every motion, offering their insights and interpretations to an eager audience. As the trial progressed, the courtroom doors swung open to a procession of expert witnesses. Musicologists, sound engineers, and music industry veterans took the stand, offering their expert opinions on the art of sampling. JayZ's legal team strategically selected experts who could articulate the nuances of sampling, explaining its transformative potential in music creation. Their testimonies served to strengthen the defense's argument of fair use, underscoring the transformative nature of JayZ's artistic process. As the trial progressed, the initial confidence exuded by the plaintiff's team began to waver. The defense, through their meticulous presentation of evidence and expert testimony, had successfully chipped away at the plaintiff's claims. The judge began to express skepticism about the plaintiff's arguments, questioning the validity of their copyright claim. The tide seemed to be turning in favor of JayZ, as the legal momentum shifted towards the defense. The courtroom atmosphere now carried a palpable sense of uncertainty, as the weight of the evidence seemed to be tipping the scales in favor of JayZ. The courtroom, once a stage for the plaintiff's confident pronouncements, began to echo with a different tune. The judge adopted a more assertive stance, her skepticism towards the plaintiff's claims becoming increasingly evident. She scrutinized the plaintiff's arguments, challenging their assertions of substantial similarity. The judge's skepticism wasn't limited to legal technicalities. She delved into the heart of the matter, the music itself. She pressed the plaintiff's experts to articulate precisely how JayZ's use of the sample constituted infringement. After weeks of intense legal battles, the courtroom buzzed with anticipation as the day of the judge's ruling arrived. JayZ, a picture of composure throughout the trial, sat patiently alongside his legal team. The judge, her expression unreadable, took her seat, the courtroom falling silent in anticipation. In a clear, authoritative voice, she delivered her verdict: case dismissed. Citing the principle of fair use, the judge meticulously deconstructed the plaintiff's arguments. The judge's ruling sent shockwaves through the courtroom, reverberating far beyond its walls and into the heart of the music industry. While JayZ's calm demeanor and unwavering confidence in the courtroom were evident to all, behind the scenes, a team of legal minds worked tirelessly to secure his victory. Led by, mention the lead lawyer's name, JayZ's legal team meticulously crafted a defense that would withstand the scrutiny of the court. They understood the complexities of copyright law and recognized that this case was about more than just a single song. The legal team's strategy was multifaceted, assembling a formidable lineup of expert witnesses. Their courtroom presentations were masterful, blending legal expertise with a deep understanding and appreciation for the art of music. The courtroom erupted in a wave of relief and jubilation as the judge's gavel sealed the plaintiff's fate. For JayZ, the dismissal of the case was not just a personal victory, but a testament to the power of artistic integrity. His legal battle had become a symbol of the ongoing struggle faced by artists navigating the complex world of copyright law. The news of JayZ's legal victory spread like wildfire, igniting a chorus of support from fellow artists, industry insiders, and fans worldwide. The case served as a powerful reminder of the importance of fair use doctrine in copyright law. True to form, JayZ met the news of his legal victory with characteristic composure and understated triumph. In a brief statement released through his publicist, JayZ expressed his gratitude to the judge and jury for their careful consideration of the facts and the law. He acknowledged the importance of protecting artistic creativity while respecting the rights of copyright holders. While JayZ refrained from any public displays of exuberance, his relief was palpable. The legal cloud that had hung over him for months had lifted, allowing him to return his focus to his true passion: music. In the wake of the verdict, he immersed himself in the studio, channeling his experiences into his art. The news of JayZ's legal victory reverberated far beyond the confines of the courtroom, sparking a wave of reactions from fans, fellow artists, and legal experts alike. Social media platforms erupted with celebratory messages from fans worldwide, hailing the verdict as a victory for artistic freedom and a resounding defeat for frivolous lawsuits that threaten to stifle creativity. Hashtags like #JayZwins and #FairUse prevailed, reflecting the public's understanding of the case's broader implications for the music industry. Artists from various genres voiced their support for JayZ, praising his courage in fighting for his artistic integrity and setting a precedent for others to follow. Legal experts weighed in on the significance of the ruling, analyzing its potential impact on future copyright cases involving music sampling. Many viewed the verdict as a reaffirmation of the fair use doctrine, a cornerstone of copyright law that allows for the limited use of copyrighted material without permission from the copyright holder. The case served as a reminder that courts were willing to protect artistic expression, particularly when the use of copyrighted material was transformative, creating something new and original that transcended the original work. The dismissal of the lawsuit marked a pivotal moment in JayZ's illustrious career, solidifying his position not just as a musical icon, but as a staunch defender of artistic freedom. The case, while undoubtedly a source of stress and distraction, seemed to only fuel his creative fire, inspiring him to push the boundaries of his craft further. His subsequent albums reflected a newfound sense of artistic liberation, his lyrics imbued with a deeper understanding of the creative process and the importance of defending one's artistic vision. The legal victory emboldened JayZ to use his platform to advocate for artists' rights, speaking out against what he perceived as unfair copyright laws that stifled creativity and hindered artistic expression. He became a vocal proponent of copyright reform, urging lawmakers to strike a balance between protecting intellectual property and fostering an environment where artists could draw inspiration from their predecessors without fear of legal repercussions. His advocacy extended beyond music, as he championed the rights of creators across various disciplines, recognizing that the struggle for artistic freedom transcended genres and mediums. The impact of JayZ's legal victory extended far beyond his own career, sending a resounding message throughout the music industry and beyond. The case served as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance that must be struck between protecting intellectual property and fostering artistic innovation. It highlighted the importance of fair use doctrine in copyright law, ensuring that artists could continue to draw inspiration from existing works without facing a barrage of lawsuits. The verdict emboldened other artists to challenge frivolous copyright claims, creating a ripple effect that led to a more nuanced understanding of sampling and its place in contemporary music. The case also sparked a broader conversation about the ownership of art in the digital age. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, the lines between inspiration, borrowing, and infringement become increasingly blurred. The legal battle fought by JayZ served as a timely reminder that copyright law must adapt to the realities of the digital world, providing clear guidelines that protect both creators and those who seek to build upon their work. The legacy of JayZ's legal victory extends far beyond the courtroom walls, resonating in the studios where music is made, in the courtrooms where artistic freedom is defended, and in the hearts of those who believe that art thrives on inspiration, collaboration, and the freedom to create.